Was that the doorbell?
Mm-hmm.
Go and just let me know who is it. Who it is? Who is it, Kai? Brooklyn? Brooklyn from 2nd grade?
No.
Well, Brooklyn who?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? You just got it. It is Brooklyn from
Brooklyn.
Oh my goodness! It is Brooklyn from 2nd grade. Hey, Brooklyn, how are you?
Great.
Wow. So you're just in the neighborhood, huh?
Kind of.
Oh, okay. Well, you play Uno with us?
Nah, I kind of want to do those experiments that you guys do.
Oh, some of those science experiments.
Let's go.
Wait a minute, Akyah. You said let's go. Do you have anything in mind?
Yes.
You do? Okay. All right. I guess we'll do that.
We're two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it. Two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it.
Hi, everyone.
It's Akyah.
And her Nana. Two cool science chicks. Oh my goodness. Who do we have here?
Brooklyn.
Hey, Brooklyn. How are you?
Great.
Wow, Brooklyn from 2nd grade. All right. Okay. All right. So are you guys ready to do this? Akyah, why don't you tell the folks what we're going to do today?
We are going to be putting vinegar in a bag, baking soda into a paper towel, and we're gonna put vinegar into vinegar, and then we're gonna put the baking soda into the vinegar with the bag.
Okay. And so then once we close this up and shake it up, Brooklyn, any idea? What do you think will happen if we put the vinegar, baking soda in here and then we shake it up?
It's probably gonna explode.
You think it's gonna explode? Well, you know what? Let's see, girls. Okay, I'm gonna help you guys with this only because it is
Can I smell it?
Yeah, sure. You wanna smell it?
Yeah.
Would you like a drink? No, I'm just kidding.
Can I smell
No,
it?
I'm just kidding.
Kind of smells like boiled eggs.
Maybe we should do some cooking. Okay, all right. You guys ready? Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is how much? How much vinegar?
Half a cup.
Half a cup. Is that true?
Yep.
Okay, half a cup.
Told you.
All right, I'm gonna do this because I don't want to have to. You know what? Let's do this first. Let's do the baking soda. Here. So you guys put 4 teaspoons each. I don't know. I called you vinegar. Brooklyn. Can you? I don't think you can reach that. Let me get you a step. Do that one, and then while I fold this and make a little baking soda packet, you girls get that one ready. Move this out of the way. You guys gonna get your goggles. I'm gonna put my goggles on.
Thank you.
All right. We have our little packets. Move this, move that, and push this up. Okay, so now you girls have that.
You can start.
I think I'm going to do this too, just in case. So, half a cup of vinegar. I don't know what's going on over there.
Nothing. We're innocent kids.
Innocent kids. Okay, now I'm gonna give this to you guys, and you guys can go ahead. Be careful. Put a few drops of the food coloring in there. So I wonder what is going to happen when we put this vinegar and baking soda in there and close this up. got it? Okay, now let me see yours in your packet. So, here's what I'm gonna do. So, you probably want a grown-up to do this because you want to make sure that you do not drop that packet in, okay? What we're gonna do now is, when I say go, we're gonna see, no, don't do it yet. We're gonna see whose bag, because the bag should explode or pop or something, whose bag will explode first. And so when I say go, you're gonna drop it in and you're gonna give it a shake. Okay? And go. Okay. Got it? Good. And then hold it like that. Hold it like that. Got it? Okay. So what's happening? Is it starting to inflate?
Yeah.
Yes. So we're creating some type of gas, the vinegar and the baking soda acting to create a gas. Do you girls remember? Do you know which one?
Carbon dioxide. Yep.
Carbon dioxide gas. Okay, hold it over. Hold it up. Okay, you don't have to shake it anymore. Just let it go. Just hold it and let's see. Hold on. Is it? Hold it up. Oh, Brooklyn, yours is tight.
Every day.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yours. Oh my God! Let's see. So, the girls decided to do this again. So we're gonna race again because the first time that we did it, Brooklyn's didn't pop. So we're gonna do it again. And remember, once you release that packet, give it a good shake, okay? A really good one. And go. You got it? Really good shake. Is it?
No!
How about yours, Brooklyn? Is it?
Yeah!
Okay, let it expand. Okay, it's coming.
I kept shaking mine. You got like root beer. That's why I did brown.
Oh, so yours exploded out that way. Okay. Oh. So is it going, Brooklyn?
Yeah.
It's closed. Okay, yes, she.
There.
Oh my. Oh!
I did it! Yay! You're welcome.
Oh my gosh.
It almost just went like this. I was just hiding it. It looked like it's about to explode right in her face. That was
Okay.
edible. That actually be it.
Alright, well that was fun.
Edible.
Okay, come on over. Come on over. So, was that fun, you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun. So, again, what type of gas did you guys create?
Carbon dioxide gas. You owe me a Coke.
Carbon dioxide, Jinx, you owe me a Coke.
Yeah.
I don't think.
Yeah.
When
Yes,
I,
that's right. Yeah.
I don't know about that gas. I've never heard of that one. So, when I heard of carbon dioxide, so you guys created carbon dioxide gas. Okay, all right. So we're gonna have to do this again one day. Don't you think? Well, not the same experience.
I popped her.
I know.
It was
You're
right on the
like a crazy little person with that bag.
You almost I heard it. I'm like, oh my God.
She did.
Yeah. I almost just dropped it. I'm like, oh God.
Okay. All right. So we all had fun. And if you had fun too, and if you would like to see more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Two Cool Science Chicks. Hit the like button. It's free to subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Until then, kids,
stay cool, reach for the stars, always believe in yourself, and never stop questioning.
So, you think that's true? We should never stop questioning? Brooklyn, she always does that.
Seriously, I have hip problems now.
That's her same old thing that she does all the time. She needs to get something new.
Oh, that hurt.
Yeah.
We're two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it. Two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it.